Why I choose Tinkercad for you to design and teach these kinds of 3D modeling is very simple. The Tinkercad software is an open sourced one by Autodesk. It provides us an easy and better interface for us to learn the 3D modeling, and it's very simple. We don't have to worry about installing it on our computer. It's a web browser based software so that we can directly open up any kind of browser and search for Tinkercad, and then we can log into that particular platform, and then we can start designing them. And also we can share those kinds of designs to different kinds of people, and we can export them for 3D printing as well. The beauty of this Tinkercad software is dragging and dropping the components into our platform. That is the interesting thing in this particular software. Whatever the design we want, we can just simply drag and drop them, and we can easily manipulate them. Of course, we can have four different kinds of manipulation tools in this particular Tinkercad platform, and also they are improving their platform by adding some kinds of additional tools in this particular platform. So it is the best that if you are a beginner in 3D modeling, you can learn better things in this course for you to become a 3D modeler. And if you wanted to start your 3D printing business, you are at the right place at the right time. So here we will be learning about how we can exactly drag and drop 3D models, how we can manipulate them, how we can navigate in this platform. All those comprehensive things will be discussed in this particular course.